How to find billing settings on Roblox mobile. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now with the recent update of Roblox, they have changed the billing to another name. To find that, you want to open up the Roblox application, and once inside, you can just go ahead and click on the more section at the bottom of your screen right here. Now inside more, you then want to navigate through the settings of your account. So you can just go ahead and scroll down and you will be able to see an option called settings. And as you can go ahead and see, we don't have the billing option right now in the latest version of Roblox. Instead, we now have the subscription option for the latest version right here. So you can just go ahead and open up subscription, and inside you will be able to see the billing settings. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.